Welcome to Chania. In today's video, let's see what this beautiful Greek city has to offer. So today we're gonna be exploring the well-known town of Chania.
And behind us is iconic Old Phoenician harbor.
So it's time to explore Chania.
Let's do this.
You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near. Come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind.
So normally, to get the aerial view of the city, you either have to get a tower or a drone, but not here. There is a small hill mound here in the middle of Chania, and you get a very nice vantage point over the town.
So you can get here a 360-degree overview of the whole town, including a beautiful view on the mountains with snow, which is super cool that we are in May and we still see the snow.
While we were birding,
Yes.
so it's even more crazy. And I thought it is sand. I thought it was like sand or something. Evie found out it's actually snow.
I knew that it is snow.
And to show you where it is, it's right behind us, right there. Right here. And then you have the overview of the whole Chania right here. The city, the port, other half of the city, Evie. Yeah, right here. Highly recommend this place to see the city from above.
Sunset and sunrise views must be amazing here. So now let's explore the charming corners of Chania.
So, what will you find in the alleyways of Chania? First off, you're gonna find many beautiful, authentic restaurants. Also, many different stores, shops, gift shops, and handmade crafts from the local people. And all in all, they're worth to just go through and stroll, see what you can find by yourself.
These guys all over my heart. I wish we didn't mess this up. If only we could redo love. Honestly believe in us, in us.
So, along the Venetian harbor,
There are many restaurants where you can taste Greek cuisine with a beautiful sea view.
Tell me that you're not gonna break my heart. Tell me that you're not gonna run me ragged. Tell me that you're always gonna be by my side.
so from this point you can actually see the whole Chania, and it's very cool because we're in the town center. And now we're finally entering.
The path to the lighthouse.
It's basically behind us, a small pathway all the way to the lighthouse in front of the port in Chania.
I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow. I need you now.
And now we are on the way to the lighthouse here in Chania. It's actually in front of the city, and it's a nice lookout to the city. It's kind of cool because you kind of have this viewpoint from the sea to the city. It's really cool. I can get it with a drone, but people can get it from just walking here, which is really, really cool. And also is like a pretty much like a beautiful place to stay, sit, you know, romantic dinner, as you can see, and also it is kind of like a blockade of water and wind from the sea to the city.
I'll be better when I'm not. I'm here, I know we used to have it all. No, I'm not, I'm here. Wish I could have broke this fall. I need you now. I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow. I need you now.
So we have made it to,
The lighthouse.
and it's right here. This is pretty much where our adventure in Chania is gonna end.
With a beautiful view over the city.
And the view that Evie is talking about is mesmerizing. It's so beautiful. As you can see, the town and the mountains in the back. Because Chania was the place we stayed in, we would often find ourselves eating in this city. From our experience, we can highly recommend Agia Triada for the local food at a great price. But that is not all. If you're in Chania, there is one more thing that you should see. Today we are by
The Holy Trinity, and in Greek, Agia Triada monastery.
which is actually an active 17th century Byzantine monastery.
And it is very close to Chania, so if you are staying in Chania, then you have like 20 minutes off road to get here.
This monastery is considered as one of the most famous and the most beautiful on the island. The name of the monastery, Agia Triada, means Holy Trinity. Here you will find a museum as well as a place to buy wine and olive oil that the monks produce. It's definitely a place worth visiting. And this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps us grow this channel. So, we hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and we'll see you next time.
I don't care